outside. Stink N Dutty. Hey. Stink N Dutty. We about to go turn up. Yeah. It's about to be a movie. It's about to be a movie. It's about to be a movie. We on GoPro Vision this time. Just because it's going to be a lot of water, a lot of paint. We about to go turn up real quick. Y'all know what's going on. DMP TV. Good morning. Hey. We already lit live.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Time it's soca time and I got to bring her up. I when it touch this stage, my shoulder pain not to walk up. She come in front of me.
Welcome to Stink N Dutty Tobago! I want your son to just come up a little bit now, please. I know I'll tell it all here. We getting ready for show time. Take my shepherd advice and take 2 steps forward if you have on your own clothes. Take 2 steps forward if you're single and have 0 man problems. Take 2 steps forward if you see the girl with the man, but you know you are the man still linking.
Squeeze this one. Wow, I was not like this. Stink N Dutty. Wow.
Hey, get him. They got him. They got everybody. Hey, where y'all from? Tobago.
You love soca music, you really love soca, you appreciate soca. Can I bring another soca artist to the stage? Yeah? Well, help me welcome one of the biggest soca artists out of Trinidad. I want to show him love. This is Stink N Dutty Tobago. We don't waste time. Make some noise for the one and only, the artist that he goes by the name of College Boy Jesse. Whoa! Stink N Dutty! When you whine, push back. Watch out! All you sing with them. See when you're coming back. Sandra, when you're coming, that you call the junction.
You know you want hot tea anytime you do it.
They are not about this one.
Anybody from Trinidad? That's all. Anybody come up on the boat? Here what's going on. This segment is officially called the Right Up to the Night.
We are going to do 15 minutes for 4:20. I want everybody to take out their cell phone and cannot miss this moment. Take out your cell phone right now. Point it to the stage. Point it to the stage.
So look, they was turning up over there. Then they got the boxing. As y'all can see, you know, everybody still turning up. They holding everybody back. Woo, woo, woo. The police was over there knocking us out. They was over there leaking. And this is why, look. This is why you don't be worried about no niggas at the function. This is what the shorties is for. How can you be mad around all these shorties? Tripping. But we gonna get back to the turn up though. Y'all see shorty over there. Like, yeah, baby. Yeah. Go crazy.
You see the woman in front of you? You have to grease it down. Fellas, you see the woman in front of you? Grease it down, lion engine the building.
Teacher, you're working in the bank, you have your nice prestige job. We are in this guy for my police. But you're just joining your name.